Are you tired of being ugly or sitting in the room crying over that poor ain't have no kind of money ass nigga? Bitch, you need to go get your hair done. Oh, you can't find a hairstylist? Well, bitch, you can install a wig yourself. It's really not hard. So make sure y'all go to Alipearl Hair and go buy you a little wig, girl. They ship quick as fuck because you know Amazon always ship quick. So you'll be a bad bitch in no time. And just continue watching this video because I'll show you how to put a little wig on. Show that nigga what he missing. Period. Now bye. Keep watching, ho, and subscribe. That'll do me a little favor.
What's up, Barbianas? Welcome back to the party. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair install video, y'all. This video is sponsored by Alipearl Hair, so make sure y'all go shop with them, period, y'all. This is a deep wave 20-inch wig or whatever. I washed it, bleached the knots, did everything. I did not pluck this wig. It came pre-plucked, and I actually really think they did a pretty good job on the plucking, so I didn't even pluck this wig. This wig still maintained like its curls and its softness after the wash, and most wigs don't. Most wigs turn a hot ass mess after the wash. This hair is really soft and it maintained its softness and it's just bounciness. Like it just stayed the same after I washed it, and I really like that. It came with a wig cap, which I literally just used, and it also came with a head tie, but I was using it for my other wig, the other wig girl, so I lost it and I don't know where that bitch is. But anyways, y'all, let's get straight into this install. Make sure y'all go shop with them. I will leave their link in the description. They have really good hair, y'all, and y'all know one thing about me is I'm not about to lie to y'all for some motherfucking hair. If it's bad hair, I'm gonna tell y'all it's bad hair, but this is Bad Barbie approved. Go shop. I like the hair and I feel like it's really good. So let's get straight into this install. I already have the ball cap down or whatever. I hope I'm in focus, y'all, but I already have the ball cap down or whatever. All I have to do now is place it on my head. It is a little small for my head, but we will figure it out. Trust me. I done been through a couple things, you know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna be using Bold Hold Active. Bold Hold Active really don't be doing what it need to do for me. I don't know if it's because like I just have oily skin, but it's a regular ass glue. It shouldn't be $24 because that's how much I paid for it, but it is what it is though. So y'all, what I'm finna do is I'm trying to get something to spread the glue out. I'm tired of using my fingers.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. You understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is mine.
I didn't feel like flipping the camera. Like, y'all know I record off my phone, but I went and touched up on some edges. I'm using my front camera right now, so excuse if I look, you know, the quality's terrible, but oh well, y'all just got to deal with it because I'm tired. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to get a little mousse, and the mousse is just gone. Shit, I just realized that I think this mousse is the kind of mousse that will lift your lace. I don't know, so I'm gonna just put a little bit. I'm not gonna try to put a lot in the front because I don't want the lace to lift. And I'm gonna get my brush and brush it down. I already seen me use the, what's it called? I'm gonna go in with some water, okay? And now this is about to get real messy, but I don't care. As y'all can see, this hair is very poofy and it gets very poofy, but I like that. It's also poofy because I brushed it, so we're just gonna put a lot of water. Okay, y'all see the curl. Ooh, y'all see how the curls look? This is basically my curly hair routine. I'm gonna have a separate video for it, but it's a reason why I'm gonna have a separate video for it, y'all. But I'm not gonna tell y'all that right now. Ooh, y'all, look at these curls. They look so good. I'm gonna probably end up flipping the camera to show y'all how good these curls are. Alipearl did what they had to do. Like, y'all go shop with Alipearl hair on Amazon, y'all, because they really, oh shit, they are actually giving. Like, this is giving. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some Carefree curl instant activator. I've never used this before, but they didn't have what I was looking for when I went in the store. I was looking for like this Bella Curls conditioner. Unfortunately, they didn't have that, so I had to go ahead and pick up this because I need, you want to like have like curl products for your wigs and shit, because like you want the curls to be there and you don't want them to just not be there. So we're gonna put some stuff in there. This hair is very, very thick, so it's like you have to put a lot of product in it, but if you get a good spray bottle, you won't have to really worry about anything if you have a good spray bottle. Y'all, look at this. This is fire. I'm fucking with. Just wait till I do this side, y'all. I'm gonna come back when this side is done. Alright, y'all, so this is the finishing look. I'm gonna take pictures so y'all can see the hair better. But y'all, look at this hair. It's very full. Anyways, this hair is very, very full, as y'all can see. Give y'all a little shaky shake or whatever. Put some water in it in the back. Cause I ain't really putting no water in the back. But as y'all can see, the hair is really good quality. So not, as y'all can see, this hair is really good. Like, can y'all not see this? This is literally giving mixed Indian. Not mixed Indian, but it's giving like Spanish. Oh, another thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover up the lace. I think the lace is HD, but I don't know at the same time. I'm gonna put a little concealer at the top because my skin look a little white. Like, it look a little white there, so. All right, y'all, so this is the finishing look of the hair, y'all. I'm very, 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 very obsessed. I highly recommend y'all shop with this company. They're very nice, and they're just like, look at that hair. Like, oh my god, like, I don't know, I'm just flabbergasted. The hair is amazing. It does shed, but that is what you get with curly hair. You know, it's like a poodle, and poodle shed, so it, you know, it's giving poodle. But I really love this hair, y'all. I really recommend it. Y'all should definitely go shop. I want y'all to see the length or whatever. Okay, period. It's, you know, dry now or whatever. So this is how it looks. It's very soft, luxurious, period, y'all. So make sure y'all like this video, comment, subscribe, all of that shit. Go shop. The link will be down in the description, and I love y'all. Bye.